Hey, this is Justin.
Hey, this is Calvin.
And we're two of the co-founders of Drone Round. And today we're bringing you guys out on the range for our final test and evaluation day of our most coveted 7.62. This round is incredible. 5.56, 7.62. No one's doing it like this.
Yep.
Explain the round a little bit.
Yeah, so we have 4 projectiles. We're testing out to 150 meters today and beyond. We'll also be shooting some drones down.
So we're gonna run this through some belt-fed weapons and show how insane this round is. So thanks for tuning in.
Linked 4 projectile. Here we go.
That's a lot of projectiles in one little belt.
A lot of projectiles. It's for M240, M60, whatever. Pick your poison.
Here you go. 5.56 linked for the 249 and 7.62 by 51 linked for the 240. And the key is with this Counter-UAS variant, and the reason why this is so important is a lot of the hard to hit, super fast moving drones, we want to hit as far as possible, and you have to have volume by fire. So when you're looking at a belt of 100 rounds, this is not 100, but 100 rounds with 4 projectiles, you're looking at 400 chances to take down a drone. This projectile right here, this variant is 5 projectiles per round. So on a 100 round belt, you have 500 projectiles flooding the sky, and you'll see that in action today, shooting down these 7-inch FPV drones.
Go.
Here.
That's the first
Oh,
drone
hold on.
kill. I thought you guys were shooting some. We were shooting it, but we didn't kill drones with it.
Yeah, this is the first time we shot it.
Shooting it for sure.
First pass too.
Yeah, yeah, and not a lot of rounds. Gold. Was that 4 shots?
Hey, hey. Give me some action. Give me some action. Give me some action, Sam. Give me some action.
That was insane. That was insane. Is that the farthest you guys have ever?
Yeah. That was insane.
All right, guys, we just finished up an incredible testing day, the final day of testing of our 7.62. Man, the 7.62 is so different than the 5.56. Energy on target, everything is really crazy. The capability, we just shot this last drone at 193 yards with a 4-round burst, which is pretty impressive. Now, the key is now the 7.62 is now pushing the platform limits of how far the human eye is even able to see the drone when it's coming in on a full attack pattern. The fastest drone we hit was going like almost 55, 60 miles an hour. So they're moving very quickly. The closest we ever had, what I think was like still over 70 meters, which was insane. I mean, that distance and this capability, we're so proud to bring and develop and manufacture such an insane capability. Man, it's fun. I'm speechless. It's just the coolest thing ever. And now we have the best 5.56 and now the best 7.62 with more calibers, variations to come. We have such a stacked R&D team. We're R&Ding equipment, manufacturing equipment. We are pushing the limits of counter-UAS, and our 762 drone round proves that. So thank you guys.